Chairman jong ke komiti kabadai halor ke reservation policy ke kong amperin lengdo kalapan pawi ke jing sngau kia habai dai ber ke jing bamwan ai ke seng saiñ pyrthei ke jingmut jong ki halor ke reservation policy watla kapor ke bakibu khatsan sni kalakun habakran bik jong to kubor ha office trai kam jong ke kong amperin kala ong bana kaliang ke jongka labun sin kala kerpat ban phano i kita ke jingai jingmut Rai hadu menta empat don watang kawei ke seng saiñ hima kaban wan syakmat ban penpau ya ke jingai jingmut jongki halor ke jing dawa ban penkala ya ke reservation policy kakam amperin kala ongru ba kidon ki seng saiñ pyrthei ki ba syuai tang ha ke jing tho kakong amperin kala ongru ba kidon ki seng saiñ pyrthei ki ba syuai tang da ke jing tho sekelat pathai kebor halor ke reservation policy bat ke roster system Han Raisa ka komiti kim samla ai jing tho ban ai jing mut hadu mentah.
Political parties submit their views and observations. You cannot even think of having a search committee installed and put in position if you don't even know what you're looking at. Repeatedly we have said, kindly submit your observations. Kindly submit your perspectives and understanding. Once all of those have come to the notice of the government, it could be like I have said again and again. It could be through the Chief Minister's office, it could be through the law department, it could be to my personal office. Unless we know what we are going to be dealing with, what are the kind of questions that are coming, what are the kind of proposals that are being sent, we don't even know the constitution of this expert committee. It will all be based on what questions are being asked by the various political leaders.
How many political parties who have submitted?
No one up to now. There have been some press statements from certain political parties, but those are mere statements, and I cannot take what is said in the media. I have to obviously understand what is being said. There was an observation in one of the media reports that I read saying that the word prospective was not written. Let me tell you, it is a prospective application. Again, we are repeating ourselves. Henceforth, from here forward, use whatever word you want to. So political parties are advised. And in fact, I am in communication with almost all political leaders. I have spoken practically to all political parties, and I have requested them to speed up. Because if you already form a committee, then it will become like the cart before the horse. I don't know what questions will be asked. To my knowledge and understanding, we had a big problem from the courts who questioned our application of this reservation policy, which is the roster. To my knowledge, all political parties are on board about the application of the roster. Beyond that, what else do you want to change has to be communicated in black and white to us, so that we may know what needs to get done next. Probability, but again, government is not saying no. Search committee will only send expressions of interest to individuals after we receive the questions. We don't know whether they will be constitutional related questions. We don't know whether they are mere political questions. Will they pass the scrutiny of courts? So many aspects to this. We will go by that, because that will give us understanding. If tomorrow we constitute a committee and the committee has nothing to study, what do you do? Government is clear. There was a question asked by the courts. We have responded and taken necessary actions to those observations of the honorable courts. Beyond that, if anybody else has additional things to ask, they have to tell us what they want us to do. We were responding only to the courts, and that has been done. We are past that already. The pressure group ensure that there are procedures. Deadlines cannot happen because of a wish of somebody. Let us, we'll respond to that as and when it comes in writing, because I have not seen this. Maybe they've left it with the Honorable Chief Minister's office. We will study and we will ask them. We will ask him whether he has received any information to this effect. And giving a deadline is not the correct way to do things. Come forward, talk to us. You want a special sitting with us? We are willing. Where is the harm?